Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nougat without milk powder. We'll dive into crafting this delightful confection using classic techniques. You'll learn to combine simple ingredients like sugar, honey, and egg whites to achieve that signature chewy texture. This step-by-step guide will help you create a truly impressive homemade treat, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. To begin our nougat journey, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of honey, and 2 tablespoons of water for the syrup. For the base, have 4 large egg whites ready at room temperature. Don't forget your favorite additions, like 1.5 to 2 cups of roasted almonds or pistachios. Finally, line your pan with edible wafer paper or greased parchment for easy removal. Now for the magic. In a heavy-bottomed pot, combine your sugar, honey, and water. Heat this mixture, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then cook until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Simultaneously, whip your room temperature egg whites in a stand mixer until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Slowly drizzle the hot sugar syrup into the egg whites while the mixer runs. Continue beating for about 15 to 20 minutes until the mixture is very thick and shiny. Once your nougat mixture is thick and glossy, it's time for the final touches. Gently fold in your roasted nuts like almonds or pistachios and any vanilla extract or other flavorings. Quickly spread the warm mixture into your prepared pan, smoothing the top with a greased spatula. Let it cool completely at room temperature, preferably overnight, to set properly. Then, cut your delicious nougat into individual pieces and store them in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.